Hello everyone! Welcome to part 2 of Future Tenses from Audio Academy. Today we're going to continue talking about future tenses in English, which are future continuous, future perfect, and the future perfect continuous. Before we start our video, let's revise the future simple tenses. You have some sentences that have just appeared on the screen. Can you guess what's the difference between them? You can stop the video and write down your answers in the comments. I can't wait to see your answers. Now let's discuss them together. What's the difference between I'm going to help my neighbor open her gate? I will help my neighbor open her gate. Both are in the future. I'm going to is used to talk about plans, so if I have been planning or thinking about it, that's when I need to say be going to. I will help her is a spontaneous decision. It's a sudden decision I have just made without planning. So, be going to is used for plans, whereas will is used for sudden decisions. What's the difference between my friend arrives at 10 tomorrow, my friend is going to arrive at 10 tomorrow? In the first example, I'm talking about his train. I'm talking about the timetable. The train is following a schedule, a timetable. That's why my friend arrives at 10 is a present simple tense. Whereas my friend is going to arrive at 10 tomorrow is just a plan that we have made together. This is what he is planning to do. So, once more, the present simple is used for schedules and timetables, whereas be going to is used for plans in the future. Now, can you remember the story of my garden? Let's continue it. This afternoon between the hours 1 p.m. and 2 p.m., I will be working in my garden. I won't be having lunch. I will be busy doing something else. So, I'll be working in my garden is the future continuous tense. It is used to talk about actions which are continuous and they are happening over a period of time in the future. So, what about the form? Can you pick it out? Yes, we form future continuous as follows. Will plus be plus the verb in the ing. By the time it's 6 p.m. this afternoon, I will have finished planting my flowers. I will have finished is a future perfect tense. We use it to talk about something will be completed at a particular point in the future. So, by the time it's 6 p.m., I will have finished the action of planting my flowers. It will be completed, and that's why we use the future perfect. What about the structure? This tense is formed as will plus have, yes, plus the past participle of the verb. Let's move to the last future tense in English. By the time it's 7 p.m., I will have been working in my garden for hours. Can you guess the name of this tense? Exactly, it's the future perfect continuous tense in English. In this tense, we are talking about a particular point in the future. In other words, the action started at some point at a particular moment in the future and it's still happening, and I'm talking about the whole period of time. Let's recap the tenses used to describe the future in English. We have got be going to, to talk about plans in the future. We have got present continuous to talk about arrangements that we have made with other people. We have got present simple to talk about schedule, things such as timetables, train times, planes times. We have got future continuous to talk about a certain action which will be happening between hours in the future. We have got future simple with will to talk about spontaneous decisions or guesses. We have got future perfect to talk about actions that will be completed by particular or specific time in the future. We have got future perfect continuous, which is about things that will be still ongoing by a particular point in the future. And finally, we also have modal verbs such as might and may to talk about actions that are possibilities that we're not sure about. Now it's time for practice. Are you ready? Here are some sentences that you are required to complete using the correct future form. Pause the video, write down your answers in the comments, then check them. Good luck! Now, here are the answers. Hope you enjoyed our video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edu channel. Always develop yourself. Goodbye.